Hello, this is EV3 Trade Signal Ideas in association with ForexFox, and this video is on trigger flow model ideas covering the cryptos. It's Thursday, July 15th. We'll start off by just talking a little bit about the model, and the model is the four models that we will be showing that are on the chat room at ForexFox are based off of the trigger flow index, and they're applied to each of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. As I like to do in these introductory videos, I'd like to just go over again the trigger flow index and what it is. It goes by the acronym TFI, and it is a proprietary indicator that I use to gauge the underlying net positioning in each market product that I look at. Be that an individual product, such as these cryptocurrencies we're going to be looking at today, or a multi-product composite for use in cross-asset analysis. In my thinking, this is a far too often overlooked component that helps immeasurably in assessing market psychology. Positioning never goes out of style in my thinking. So we're going to start off by looking at trigger flow index-based model idea on Bitcoin. This model, as with the others, are all 60-minute charts, and going back year to date, it's been out of sample longer than that, but just will be providing the year-to-date performance. And as we all know, it's been a very wild ride for the cryptos so far this year. So I have to say that I'm very happy with the returns that we've had so far in Bitcoin, as well as the other three cryptos. So the basic methodology behind this is that the trigger flow index here, which is proprietary in nature and how I derive it, it goes along very well with price, but as you can see, it goes up and above the trigger line, as I call it. It is these crosses that generate the buy and sell signals. So in this case, when it was going up through the trigger line, there's a buy signal. The period after the open, that it goes above, and then when it comes back down, in this example, there's a sell. So currently, it's been sold from the model since about noon of July 14th, and today, late in the day on the 15th, it's come off quite well. So that one has been a good return so far. So that's just how it looks in terms of the lines. What I present on an ongoing basis in the chat room, I don't show the lines. I do show the sell and buy signals. And if anybody comes in for a 7-day free trial and decide to stay full time, I'd be more than happy then to provide the trigger flow index lines and the trigger line model expressions there. But for now, what I present is the year-to-date P&L at the bottom and the individual buy and sell signals for each of the four: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. So as we see, they've all been quite profitable this year. In terms of the overall performance, I've been very, very happy with it. Flow really does help a lot. And as I said, I think it's really an untapped technique to use in trading. So if you like this kind of analysis, feel free to join me at forexfox.com in my chat room, as you can sign up for a 7-day free trial, and the link for that is community.forexfox.com. Again, thanks very much, and have yourself a nice evening.